Hey guys, it's Bullets in the Air. I've been getting quite a few requests asking me how do I have my Remington Vantage sighted in, because many people wonder how do I take 40-yard plus shots with just a simple break barrel rifle. Well, my trick is sighting it in at 40 yards, so before that it might be a little high, but after that I can drop and get those few extra yards. So in this video I will be showing you how I do that. Here I will take a series of 4 shots, first one at 10 yards, second at 20 yards, and so forth up to 40 yards, so you can see the trajectory of my pellets. So that is basically it. I hope you enjoyed, and please comment with any questions.